Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. My name is Noni and this is Noni and Family Lifestyle. Welcome you to a new video. So today guys, I'm going to be taking you guys with us to the beach. So we're going to the beach, our first ever beach for the year. So come with us. And yeah guys, if you haven't subscribed to this amazing family, what are you waiting for? Please click on the red button to subscribe and also hit on the notification bell to always be notified each time we upload new video. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. So guys, come with us to the beach. Premises where you're not supposed to be anybody, you know, the hotel is. Yeah. So we were pretending we didn't know anything. He is not from Russia and me from Finland, so we were blondes, you know. We were pretending we didn't understand. Okay. It was when we were new here in Athens. We were exploring some places. So they got us. Are you VIPs or what? You just went like the exit there. Rosie! Rosie!
We're almost in Yagmeni now. Wanna go what?
It's what I'm getting. I'm making.
I'm your friend, but you have to listen to me also. You understand, young man?